Okay, all right. Just had a shower and ready to dive into work this night. Um, I don't know. I've just been having some issues with. I guess maybe because I'm kind of new to bubble. I just want to get this done and dump it out. Mainly, what I'm having problems with is consuming a particular API and using it to run some JavaScript within Bubble and stuff like that. I've basically got everything set up. It's just the formatting of the data and all those kind of things that is tripping up everything. So that's what I'm currently figuring out so that I can get that done. So more or less WhatsApp is connected. Um, then they have to connect OpenAI. I think I've been quite lazy, and which led to being unwise about it. I could have gone ahead and set up other parts of the flow without waiting for the original part, but I decided to just keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. It's just that I've been lazy, to be honest. But then there are other things also pulling at my time. Yeah. But I need to figure it out by this week. It would be awesome if I could just go lock myself up in some place, and then for the next maybe 24 or 48 hours just focus on building it and nothing else. But that often is not possible because of other responsibilities that I have. So it's fine. Um, but I can't use that as an excuse. I just have to find a way to figure things out. Um, let's see. Well, anyways, in other news, I'm sure most of you have heard about this awesome Devin AI stuff. I don't know how amazing it is. I watched Primagen talk about it and stuff like that. He was more more just pissed at the tool. Like it didn't make sense also to him. Or he's 15 or 20 years in the industry now. So, anyways, and then there's one that I tried a while back, but was too like there was too much of unnecessary code there. It was Mablism. There was one I saw recently also, which is actually open source. It's GPT pilots, I think Pythagora, which seemed to do an actual good job, and it seemed like it was built in Python, and seemed pretty interesting to me, to be honest. So it might be something that I'm willing to try out as I go along, but I really need to just work on this bubble thing. So I guess, and that's often a simple wisdom that I sometimes miss. Just go on and do other parts of the flow. Why was I waiting for those other things? But anyways, like I said, I've been lazy. I don't know, and then I've been changing my sleep schedule to work so a bit in the night, which I don't know if is the wisest of things to do, to be honest. But I just kind of fell into it, and then I started going with it and structured it around it. It was it would be productive yesterday because I did get some school development work done, anyways, but not bubble, not exocortex work. A few developments here and there that seem interesting, and I want to definitely put some more work into. But yeah, um, I just this first product that I'm building under exocortex, because I'm thinking of exocortex as a slew of products. So the first one is exodump, which is basically a way to gather your brain dumps and then organize them and then possibly do stuff on it. I found an interesting startup that kind of visualized one of the things that I'm trying to do in knowledge graphs and knowledge management systems and stuff. Nodus Labs, there's a bunch of interesting things out there. Yep. I really just need a lot of my time back, and I'm at the point where I'm sometimes considering maybe I should just maybe go to the library and then just do some work, or go to a coffee shop and do some work. But that can't exactly work, except maybe I do it during the weekends. But then I also have to care about schoolwork, especially now that tests and stuff are rounding about. But yep. I feel a bit stuck. Um, I mean, I'm the one that's been writing MVP should be done in X amount of days, X amount of blah blah blah. Yeah, I guess I have to just figure this out. More time in prayer, more time in thinking, more time in whatever to figure this out. All right then.